Adventure Touring Motorcycle Jacket for Men. Textile Motorbike C Armored Waterproof Jackets. ADV 4-Season High-Vis Green 4XL All-Weather Adventure Bike Jackets. Men's 600D CORDURA Construction Textile Motorcycle Touring Jacket. The HWK Motorcycle Jacket, guys, is an all-season motorcycle riding coat at its ideal, strong as well as rugged, yet soft and also comfortable to the touch, to maintain you warm throughout winter, cool during summertime and risk-free at the exact same time. See approved armors, removable, on the motorcycle Moto jacket's back, elbows, and shoulders. 3-color contrast HWK design. 100% waterproof motorcycle jacket for men, breathable with the ADV lined REISSA membrane. Optimum quality at a minimum price. This a deal we bet that you would certainly not be able to locate a textile motorcycle jacket, men, at this price in the safety gear market. This waterproof motorbike jacket is breathable and has mesh lining underneath. Breast measurements: size UID, inches, small 38, medium 40, large 42, X large 44, XX large 46, 3XL 48, 4XL 50, 5XL 52. If you're in between sizes, then please select the smaller dimension for a snug fit, or for a loose baggy fit choose the upper size. All-weather season ADV Motorcycle Jacket Shield with removable winter thermal lining. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.